Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Note 9, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, if you have some kind of cover on your phone, you will need to take it off. And from here, you'll find that the device has this removable back cover. So just find a place where you can use your fingernail to pry it off. There we go. And as you will see, once you take it off, you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. So I'm going to occupy one of each. There we go. So there are the 2 cards. And as you can see, they should start working immediately once you insert them. So I'm going to confirm my SIM card pin. And there we go. SD card is working as well. So this is how you would insert your SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.